Hello, good evening, everyone. Very warm welcome. So today is 5th of December 2023, and I'm going to take a quick look at the global indices with the rainbow setup. This is largely the video is to help the rainbow students or the rainbow users, and also for me to have a look back. Since it's a global indices we are talking about, we will largely, this communication mode will be in English. So first of all, we will hide this original candles and then go to indicators, SD Rainbow Wave version 1. We'll be selecting the index setup as we'll be looking at various indices across the globe. Our Indian market enjoys high correlation with relation to the global markets, so it always pays off to know. So this is the main table which gives us 7 factors, gives us a min stop, max stop. This maximum stop loss is very special based on this setup. It also talks about what are the preferred trades based on trend, which is BB buy, breakout, and buy support. However, buy trade win probability, if we enter now, it has fallen and it is now at 57%. So let's make this, this is a strength matrix, which we can look at the strength of all the global indices or Indian sectors at one go. So let's make it global. So first one is S&P 500, next one Dow, third one we will make it NASDAQ. Let's fourth one be Russell 2000. Fifth one be Hong Kong. Sixth be China A50. We will look at Nikkei. We will also look at German DAX. We will want to look at Nifty 500 stocks. And also definitely have a look at Sensex. Look at Nifty small cap. Look at Nifty mid cap. And today is Tuesday, so we want to compare the relative strength compared to Friday. So we will make the real strength, not the relative strength. In this case, the strength, relative strength is only for foreign exchange meter. So here what we can see compared to the daily S&P 500 strength is falling. It is down 5.9. Compared to the Friday, we can see clearly momentum loss if I bring our another favorite indicator, RSI X. In this total factors, 12, there are 8 factors for momentum. Among that, 3 and 1, 4 are bearish. Only 1 and 2, 3 are bullish and 1 neutral. So broadly, momentum is missing in this. So place an alert, Alt A, short momentum bullish, which is ST Momo bullish, which is currently missing. So this is, I'll be careful on the stocks. Maybe a little bit of euphoria level has reached. It's moved a lot from the October low. Probably some consolidation could be on way. Dow is down too in its strength, but the overall strength level is still on the rising mode, but that is also down. NASDAQ, we highlighted yesterday, our sell signal has come. NASDAQ has lost 6.7 points and the strength is in more of a falling mode. Russell has done much better compared to the 3. Its small mid cap has done better. So rising mode still, less decline. Hong Kong and China both are in falling mode and they are in completely red and among the weakest. On the other hand, European indices are much stronger. Indian index, that Nifty, is superbly strong. Sensex has done exceptionally well. and small caps and mid caps have done well too. So broadly, the weakness that I'm seeing is on the American side of the indices, and also or definitely in China, Japan, and Hong Kong. So let's take a quick look at the Dow. Dow also has lost some momentum. All the factors are not definitely bullish anymore. Only 9 factors are now bullish. Previously, much higher numbers, 12 factors were bullish. So bulls are losing some strength. Buy trade win probability has fallen. Let's look at NASDAQ. Nasdaq has already given a sell signal, but this sell signal remains a contrary sell because it is against the main trend. The momentum is clearly working for the bears. Here the 5 plus 1, 6. 6 out of the 8 momentum factors are working for the bears. I will get out of any kind of exposure in overall Nasdaq exchange traded fund. Here next we have Russell. Russell has proven to be much stronger, but as others are suffering correction too, so Russell is also likely to go into correction mode. Some issue with the internet, I guess, but it's testing several resistance zone. So our decline is likely, but still a relatively much stronger picture. 10 out of the 12 factors are bullish here. Let's look at the VIX. This is VIX return we talked about. Volatility index, the bulls are returning, so that's bad news for overall stocks. This is the volatility index of US S&P 500, which is the can be considered as the global benchmark of stocks. What's going on? Let's look at Singapore, which was already showing weakness. The another momentum to the downside is coming. So several weakness it can be seen at some of the global indices, some of the compartments. It's not a full-blown global weakness. Our Nifty and Indian markets remains pretty strong. Let's look at the Sensex. We have already seen Nifty and Bank Nifty in the morning. So Sensex remains very, very strong. Let's look at Nikkei, Japan. The momentum is turning more bearish. So further weakness you can expect since the sell signal, further decline has come up. Very likely Nikkei can drop further towards this level, 32,300. So another 600 points drop can happen in Nikkei. So let's look at Hong Kong, Hong Kong 50. Hong Kong 50 is definitely bearish. It is one of the top bearish indices among all of these that we are looking in the table. So Hong Kong still weakness persists. No buying into Hong Kong stocks or their exchange traded fund. Similar picture in China. Now China and Japan stock market weakness has yet to infect the global space, but Chinese weakness remains a major concern globally. Let's look at Europe. European stocks are in much better shape compared to their American counterparts. But here the Netherlands Stock Exchange is also losing the momentum. It does not seem to have the previous sort of steam. So some more consolidation in future can come up. Let's look at the Italian indices, which hit almost 15.5-year high, and it is still broadly remains bullish. The momentum is lacking somewhat, not as strong as previously, but still bullish with 10 out of the 12 factors being bullish. Let's look at the IBEX 35, which is the Spanish index. Spanish benchmark, now it is continuing, definitely 10 out of the factors. What a marvelous run is continuing in IBEX since the buy signal. Since the buy signal around this area, the IBEX has fired up. So broadly, what we are looking at, that bulls are present globally, but they are losing steam, especially the American weakness is definitely concerning. So we will keep that in mind when we place our derivative trades while we do assume too much risk, whereas stock specific action likely to remain strong. And India is so far, means Indian markets are so far performing exceptionally well. Thank you so much for watching this. If you're liking this videos, do like and don't forget to subscribe for regular updates. Thank you so much and have a great night.